Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can elevate your oral hygiene routine, the Pureline Tongue Cleaner Scraper set, which comes in a colorful pack of 3. We found this product online, and you can check the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Pureline Tongue Cleaner? This set features 3 durable tongue scrapers designed to help you maintain optimal oral health. The scrapers are crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring they are both effective and gentle on your tongue. Each scraper has a unique color, making it a fun addition to your oral care routine while also helping you keep track of which one is yours if you're sharing with family. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this product. First and foremost, these tongue cleaners are designed with a comfortable grip, allowing for easy maneuverability while you're cleaning your tongue. They are lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring that they won't bend or break during use. Additionally, the curved design of the scraper is specifically engineered to effectively remove bacteria, food particles, and dead cells from the surface of your tongue, promoting fresher breath and better overall oral hygiene. The Pureline Tongue Cleaner is suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you're someone who is meticulous about your dental health or someone who's just starting to incorporate tongue cleaning into your routine, this product is ideal for you. It's particularly beneficial for individuals who suffer from bad breath, as cleaning the tongue can significantly reduce odor-causing bacteria. So, how do you use it? It's quite simple. After brushing your teeth, just stick out your tongue and gently scrape from the back to the front. Rinse the scraper between strokes to remove any residue, and repeat until you feel satisfied with the cleanliness of your tongue. This process can take as little as a minute but can make a big difference in your oral hygiene. Practical use cases for this tongue cleaner extend beyond just personal use. If you're a parent, you can introduce this tool to your kids as a fun way to encourage good dental habits. Plus, it's perfect for anyone who frequently consumes foods that can leave lingering flavors, like garlic or onions. In summary, the Pureline Tongue Cleaner Scraper set of 3 offers an effective, easy-to-use solution for maintaining a clean and healthy tongue. Its thoughtful design, vibrant colors,